All right, my perfect children are still in bed. It's 10:11. So COVID lockdown, 10 is the new 7. We're gonna wake them up, but after we get these links done, we get this bacon in the oven cooked at 400, and we make some pancakes. We're gonna do a double batch this morning. It's time to chow down. Uh-oh. So, for a double batch, we need 2 of that. We need 2 eggs. And we also need, I think, a cup and a half, right about there, of milk. So, Cromer's Kitchen secret pancake ingredient is a shot of vanilla. And it goes a long way, so don't put too much in there. Bat. Bat, 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 bat. So that's it. Stir it up. I had to add a little more extra pancake mix, get it nice and thick. The key to a fluffy pancake, I think, is whipping it hard. Getting the air in there. So bacon's getting close. Sausage is almost done. And the kids are not awake yet, so we gotta wait. We can't make these pancakes until they're awake. That's the fun part. All right, they're awake, so the griddle is fired up. We're gonna spam it up. Not spam, Pam, right? Cooking spray, the old good old aerosol. We got these whipped hard. You see those air bubbles in there? That's the key. Oh man, look at that. Unbelievable. Oh yeah. No. Good God, that looks good. Oh man. Oh man, look at the fluffy pancakes. Oh, a little bit too hard on the cook there. Oh, a little bit too hard on the cook there, but they look good. Now you just watch those suckers rise. Oh, man. Natalie's first because she was actually awake. The rest of them are slugging around. Bam, and that's how you feed the babies right there.